Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I be all designing developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous project, we have learned that how to build one background color switcher in JavaScript, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now, in this project, we will see that how to build one Wikipedia search project in JavaScript. And I hope you will also enjoy this project like we're enjoying my previous project of JavaScript. So, let's start. Now over here you can see I've just made this Wikipedia search project over here, and now over here you can see I've just made this input over here. Okay, so over here if you write anything with that, okay, so there will be not any of the thing happened. Okay, if you press this submit also, so over here I will just make that for writing anything or searching in Wikipedia. Okay, so you can, if you do that, so it will be just working. So over here if you press this random one, so press that, and now over here you can see our random Wikipedia article has been come over here. Just press back, just go to back and again press that, then over here it will be just coming again. Okay, so now here you can see these all are coming randomly. There will be coming any of the Wikipedia article over here. Okay, so if I just press that again, so over here you can see KC9 and N2 over here coming. Okay, so over here it will be just coming randomly over here. Okay, so if I will just show you over here, and this FCC is just written it randomly. Okay, there will be not happen over here. So I will just show you how to do that. So first of all you have to open your brackets text editor, and over here I will just go to my file which is called new.html, new.css and new.js. Okay, so like I have shown you, there was not any of the styling. Okay, but there was just of the styling of input, like we have just made it this bigger enough. So I will just show you how to do. So first of all we have to just create that. So here we have just written new that, and now we have just linked our style sheet, and already have linked my JavaScript sheet also with that. Okay, so just come over here, and here I will just write another thing. So I will just create my code. So first of all I will add h1, and with that h1 I will just write in that over here. So just go to Wikipedia, just go to Google, and over here I will copy that and come over here and just go over here and paste that. Okay, so now when you've done that, write over here button, and I will just write submit in that. Okay, submit, and just erase that from here. Come over here, and here you have to write another thing which is called like p tag, and write over here random. Okay, so now we have done till over here. Just you have to do like that. Now hit save, and now we have done till over here. Now when you have done that all, just you have to do like that. Okay, so just save that again, and now we have done till over here, and write over here in pfcc. Okay, so there was just written like that, and save over here. Now we have done till over here. Just I will go to style that. Okay, because now we have done over here, and now here I will just write placeholder, and over here in that I will write placeholder, and that I will write search. Okay, so I will write search, and now when you have done that, just you have to hit save, and now it is done. Just you have to go to CSS file, and we have to style that. So come over here and write margin first of all should be 0 pixel, padding should also be 0 pixel, and write over here box sizing. Okay, so I will write box sizing should also be border box, and write over here justify content in center over here. Okay, so write over here justify content in center, and write over here align items in center, and write over here again display flags. So now when you've done that all, just you have to write flags wrap. Okay, so I will write wrap, and here when you've done that, write over here body, and just you have to do like margin 14 pixel, padding should be 12 pixel, and write over here again, and now here you have to write display flags, and write over here text align center, and write over here again justify content. Okay, so now the justify content also be in center, and over here align items should also be in center. Now when you have done that, write over here background color. So there was not any of the background color, so I will just take my background color to white. Write over here color which should be of black, so I will write black, and now we have done till over here. Just you have to write 0. Okay, so write 0 and just come in front, and now we have done till over here. Now when you've done that, just hit save first of all, and now it is done. Just when you've done these all things, just you have to come over here and write over here again, but now here it should be like just right over here. Okay, so now here I will write like dot. Okay, so just I will go to new.html, and over here there was written button, so I will just write button and write copy these all things over here. Okay, and I will just paste that. Okay, so over here I will paste, and now we have done till over here. Just press backspace and write over here float into left, so I will write float left, and now just erase that and copy this from here float left again, because our all things were float into left, and paste that and hit save. And now we have done till over here. Just you have to now we have done our styling. Now here we have to just work with our JavaScript sheet. So just go over here, and here you have to write like write over here function, and with that I will just write like that. Write over here let body equal document dot query selector, and right over here, like just come over here and write body, because it is not any of the class, so I'm just writing like that. Right over here let again, and now write function, and just have to correct the spelling, and write document dot query selector, and right over here function, because it is not anything in HTML. So I will come over here and I will add let, and now over here I will add button equal document dot query. Okay, so query selector, and just you have to do like that. Now we have done till over here, just you have to come over here and write like that, and write button, because it is a tag, not any of the class, so I'm just defining that. Come over here and write button dot add event listener, and now when you have done that, write over here button comma add event listener. Okay, and over here I will come and I will write another thing button. So now when you have done that, write over here like add event listener again, write on click function with that, and write button, and in that I will add function, and write over here math dot floor. Okay, so now when you've done that, just come over here and write like that, and now here you have to do like, just you have to press backspace, write over here function math dot random dot length, and now write over here floor comma on click dot button. Okay, so now we have done till over here, and write floor, and now we have done till over here, just press backspace. So over here I will just do one thing, I will erase this floor because I don't need of that, and over here I will come again and I will add e tag now, and with that I will add function button, and I will add dot length, and now over here I will add floor dot math. Okay, so come over here and write floor dot math dot random, and write over here again. So now when you've done that, write over here like button again. Okay, so now we have done till over here, and now just you have to press Control Z and come over here and paste that. Now just when you've done that, just you have to write random function dot length, and write over here floor math, and just have to write dot, and now it is done. Just write dot floor. Now when you've done that, just you have to hit save. Now it is done. Just when you've done these all things, just you have to go to Google Chrome and just check that out, because we have to just do, and we have to just link our button with that Wikipedia. Okay, so here just you have to go to Google Chrome. So over here you can see our all the things are coming like that which we want. Okay, so over here this is going with JavaScript. Here you can see which it is just going really long because we have just done with JavaScript. So if I just press that, so over here it is just loading, and over here you can see now it has been come letters from Wolfie. Okay, over here you can see that it is coming just randomly. If I just press it again, so it will be again Wikipedia article is coming just in random. Okay, here you can see that. Okay, so again if I press, and now over here you can see again it is coming randomly. So I hope you understand it how to build one Wikipedia search project in JavaScript, and I hope you also enjoy this project like you enjoyed my previous project of JavaScript. So just you have to practice this all project we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of JavaScript also like you are of Python and HTML and CSS. So I will just meet you in next project. So for today, goodbye.